Hello beautiful people, welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Sunber hair. I have worked with them before. They have amazing units, amazing quality, and I'm bringing you guys another Sunber hair review. So today we're going to review this kinky curly, it's in between like a spiral and jerry curl to me. This unit is more for my mature girlies, hence my outfit. This is from Zigu, so I threw on like some top to kind of go with the hair to me, something more mature, relaxed, laid back, and free, because that's what this hair gives. So let me show you guys something. This hair comes with an adjustable strap, and then it's a closure. So I know you're probably like, girl, that is not a closure. Girl, yes it is. You know what that means, ladies and gentlemen? That means she is one of our ready to go units. So one thing I did do was I grabbed a few hairs like this and pulled them just to make the part a little bit wider. It wasn't needed, it was more so a preference thing. But if you want a mature, free look, this is for the summertime. It does get flatter the more you wet it. I kind of let it dry a little bit, and then I just went in with my argan oil conditioner leave-in. I got this from Dollar Tree. And then I went in with my water bottle just to give it a little bit of, you know, freshness to it. But other than that, this can go just like that. Y'all, one thing we are not going to keep doing is 10 layers of glue. I don't have the time for it. I don't have the patience for it. Every now and then, if I'm going to work or I'm going on vacation, I might glue my wig down just so that I'm not having to do it over and over and adjust it while I'm on vacation or while I'm at work. But for the everyday average person, we want something that is ready to go, that I could take off. You see that? It's rat tail comb. Like, if I'm tired and I want to take a nap, I can go take a nap. I'm gone. It's that simple. And when I get done from my nap and somebody called me, I got somewhere to be real quick, it's back on. Listen. Somebody called me, I got somewhere to be real quick, it's back on. You can twist it to a middle part if that's your vibe. We can always do the other side. I just like mine the way I had it, which is like this. That's the side that favors my face. But yeah, to me, it don't get no better than that. It's already pre-melted pretty much, okay? Now, if I wanted to secure this down, I could, but honestly, I'm not even kidding. There's no need to. After I get done filming this, I am going to take a nap, so I can just snatch it right off, take a nap. I'm going to wake up, edit a few videos, and it's very much on the go friendly. But if you need to get presentable, get snatched, you still want to give fabulous, then go right ahead. And of course, this is one of our black girl friendly units. We love the natural texture and the parting space. Look at that. A lot of closures nowadays, you do not have parting space, and that's the problem. That's why the girls are afraid to do closures, because they feel like it's going to look like a closure. Baby, look. This is giving scalp. Like, be serious. Like, Sunber hair, I gotta give it to you. But this video is super short because I literally just put it on my head. I cut this piece right here and I cut that piece right there. So this is not some long drawn out video. I know this is super short and you're all like, dang girl, you talk about if you want to watch how I achieve this look, then just keep watching, but it ain't nothing to watch. You're right, because that's how simple it was. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Wig is done. But if you'd like to see how I did my few little minutes of customization just to make it look that much more realistic, then just keep watching. You'll see me put it on, cut baby hairs, and style it, which it was already ready to style. The layers come in the unit already. Super full, super luscious. So yeah, if you'd like to see how we achieved this 5-minute melted install, then just keep watching.